tried to talk to people today. They had too many opinions, so I walked away. Too loud, too much, too many vibes. Now I'm outside with my squirrel tribe. That's why I talk to my cat. She meows right back, and I kinda like that. Birds don't judge, squirrels don't snap. Honestly, I'm good with that. You call it weird, I call it clear. The tree's been whispering in my ear. No drama, no shade, no weird energy, just chirps and meow therapy. That's why I sit with the trees. They don't ask what's wrong with me, just peace and presence, no meaningless words. Yeah, I'm sticking with my birds. Bird on a branch said you could, better than humans ever could. Squirrel pulled up like want a nut. Honestly, yeah, that's enough. I used to speak in human words, now I translate wind and birds. You say small talk, I say why. I'm decoding clouds in the sky. That crow just told me protect your peace. The wind said girl release, release. Meanwhile humans typing essays. I'm getting downloads in 5D ways. If you're calm you can stay a while. If not, I'll be in the wild day, talking to creatures who pass the vibe check. No distortion in the field I protect. I left the noise, I chose the breeze. Got better convos with the trees. No fake vibes, no weird crowds, yeah. I'm fluent in nature now. I left the noise, I chose the breeze. Got better convos with the trees. No fake vibes, no weird crowds, yeah. I'm fluent in nature now. If you know, you know. If not, that's fine. I'll be outside, transcending time. Sitting with beings that don't pretend, low-key. Nature's my best friend.